Tris and John, and we have lived here in France for just over 8 years now, and we have been doing a mission with students for 7 years. 2018 we started, so we hope we can help out the students with their language. We will obviously help as best we can, and in a friendly and
fun way,
family fun sort of existence.
we do lots of exciting activities.
We have many activities that we do throughout the week, which includes many things of bowling, because we are passionate bowlers, temping bowling. We go fishing, adventure park, we go to kayaking on the river and also to the local lakes. We go to Limoges and Anglais, and hopefully if you come stay with us, we will have a lovely week with you.
And our dogs will love you.
Yes, we also have two